My name is Wendolai and I present to you AccraIQ, a municipal transit optimization solution. One of the biggest challenges that we have in Africa is the poor planning of our settlements and transit systems. And this leads to a lot of inefficiencies, wastages, and pollution as well. Data collected on the Accra transit systems from 2016 shows you a typical example where you have over 651 overlaps in our transit system. A typical route from Tema to Circle is about 12.3 kilometers. Tema to Circle via Labone is 12.8 kilometers. Tema to Circle via Airport is 13.1 kilometers. And this introduces a lot of waste without serving any additional passengers. That is what the AccraIQ solution tackles by using dynamic time warping, which looks at the geometric similarities of these routes, clustering them, and selecting the most optimal one out of them using pop optimization techniques. This dynamic time warping solution was first employed in speech synthesis, which has been transported into this transit solution. And also, there's a front facing pathfinder and fare finder implementation in this solution to allow those using the roads to be able to find the most optimal routes and the fares attached with them. Now, a typical example what you would find is when you load the solution, which is already pre-set up with Docker and ready to go, you'll be able to find already preloaded Accra data, which you can run your optimization and it will show you the before and after of the optimization. For this Accra solution, you realize that there was a reduction of about 38.9 based on the municipal default preset. We have other presets as well that you can use, or if you want to manually tweak it, you can tweak it as well over here. Now, this comes with a lot of cost savings, which are pre-programmed based on parameters of the current time. Now, the fare routes tracker allows you to select a start point and an end point with a fallback fare. A typical example being from Tema to Circle would use these number of stops, which everyday users can use to check, okay, if I want to go from this point to this point, these are the stops, or this is the most optimal route to use using a public transport system, and this is an estimated fare. So this is in summary the solution.